Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best affordable electric bike. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Fido. Model number, D4S. 250 watt wheel motor provides the maximum 25 km/h speed and maximum 30-degree gradient. Li-ion battery for maximum 80 km mileage. 20-inch rubber inflatable wheels for different grounds to take. 18.5 kilograms ultra lightweight and quick folding design for convenient carrying in your car trunk. Aluminum alloy for maximum 120 kilograms payload. Professional bicycle ergonomic design make you feel more comfortable when riding. Suitable for adults and teenagers for fun. 3-level moped modes, pedal mode, strength 100%, electric force 0%. Moped mode, electric force 25% to 75% with pedal. Electric mode, electric force 100%. It is inevitable to encounter some uneven dirt roads. If you ride purely on electric power, such road conditions will accelerate the power loss to a certain extent. From a practical point of view, the Fido D4S electric-assisted bicycle can be ridden in electric-assisted mode to extend the riding distance greatly. The Fido D4S use dual front and rear disc brakes, which is a solid material for the manufacturer. With a brake cutoff system and new tires, it's very responsive to stop whenever you want during the ride. And one more thing, it's that the dual disc brakes are really cool. I am very happy with the dual disc brake design on the front and rear of the Fido D4S electric assisted bike. Number 4. Brand name, Oster Motor. Model number, A20. 500 watt brushless gear motor. In the fully charged and pure power mode, the riding distance is 25 to 35 km. 36 volt 22 ampere intelligent controller built in. 20 into 4.0 inch fat tire. It can adapt to snow, sand and other complex topography. 4 to 6 hours to fully charge the battery. Recharge regularly to extend the life of battery. You can set the wheel diameter, speed, backlight, mileage unit, riding mode, POG gear. LED screen displays battery power, speed, mileage, gear, wattage. 3 riding modes, pedal mode, boost mode, power mode. In the fully charged state, the maximum speed can reach 25 mph. Number 3. Brand name, Fido. Model number, D11. 250 watt powerful motor offers a fast speed of up to 25 km/h. 3 modes, pure electric mode, cycling mode, power assist mode. 11.6 ampere hour lithium battery allows 30 to 60 km range in pure electric mode, 100 km range by power assist mode. Adjustable seat height and handlebar height suit different riders. Aluminum alloy construction for extreme durability. Efficient disc brake in both front and rear wheels for safer braking and riding. Super bright LED headlight and rear light for added safety at night. Collapsible for easy storage and transport. Ideal for urban, commuting, short trip, shopping and daily use. The battery seat design does allow the D11 to fold nice and compact since it can be shoved through the frame, nearly to the ground, instead of sticking up like a flagpole. Other, more expensive folding bikes make you carry the battery separately when collapsed, or require a few extra steps to reposition and secure the seat post to reach minimum volume claims. Once the battery is inserted, You still have to connect the small pigtail cable hanging off the bike to the battery near the top of the post, just below the power button and integrated tail lamp. Now the bike is ready to go. Number 2. Brand name, Chengmilo. Model number, MX21. Brushless motor, strong performance brings fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the engine is approx 40 km/h and the climbing capacity can reach 30 degrees under normal road conditions. The motor has a speed limiting function. 48 volt, 12.8 ampere-hour lithium battery, supports about 900 times charging cycle. The full charge of the battery takes 5 to 6 hours. The motor supports you with moderate power when pedaling the bike. In this mode, you can drive 60 to 80 kilometers before charging. Fully electric mode, turn the throttle lever in steps of the power you need for the drive of the bicycle motor. In its mode, it has a range of 30 to 40 kilometers. The LCD display can monitor the speed, battery requirement and driving distance. The key component is waterproof, night driving is possible and safety with the LED light. Number 1. Brand name, Hemo. Model number, Z20. These are some of the coolest features of Z20. I particularly like its compact size, range and quick charge capability. Hemo has a flexible and powerful 10 ampere-hour lithium battery with the ability to ride 80 kilometers on one charge. It has dynamic dual-mode cycling that allows for both electric and manual cycling. It is versatile, transportable and sleek, which allows it to be folded, stored and transported without difficulty, and has a removable battery. It has a Shimano 6-speed transmission system that allows for fast and reliable gear adjustment. It has a protective battery management system that calculates power and monitors current, voltage and temperature. It has an intelligent vector control system which is its brain that signals to communicate. It has a crystal clear waterproof HD display that efficiently conveys useful riding data. It has an advanced high-efficiency DC brushless motor that allows a variety of riding options. It has a patented aluminum frame which is lightweight, compact and durable, easing foldability and storage.